Hello, beautiful students. If you are watching this video, it is because you need help writing the introduction for your argumentative essay. So, for help, here's what we're going to do. Let's look at our essay writing guide. If you don't have your essay writing guide out in front of you, take a piece of paper, draw the guide. All right, so let's start off with our claim. Your claim is going to be the main point of your essay. It is what you are actually arguing for. So you will notice, since this is a problem and solution essay, my problem for my claim was that MCPSS is not allowing students to use advanced versions of AI on their own laptops. So I made my claim. I believe that MCPSS must allow students to use advanced forms of AI on their student laptops. Please remember that if you would like to write this essay with me, you may use my claim. It's the only part of the essay that you may copy down. If you want to write your own topic, please feel free to. I have students who are choosing to write on sex trafficking, gun violence, police brutality, student athletes being paid to perform. Anything that you would like to write about, if you can find credible evidence to support your argument, you can write about it. Let's continue though. Once we have down our claim, that is our main point, and if you can't think of your own, use mine, then we are going to go ahead and write a hook. So your hook can be any of these things. It could be a thought-provoking question, an imagined scenario, a powerful quote, an anecdote, which is a short story about yourself, a strong statement, or an unusual detail. Your main goal here is to grab your reader's attention. Whatever way you want to do that is fine. Now, you'll notice that I used a quote, right? That might be a little bit advanced. If you're struggling to figure out a good claim for your essay, I recommend you just go with a question. Remember that your hook must be related to your claim. So you could start off with a, did you know that AI is being banned in some Mobile County public schools? Or you could start off with, what is your opinion on AI being used in schools? So remember, did you know? What is your opinion on? Or any other quick question like that. Right after you grab your reader's attention, you want to go ahead and begin to introduce your problem to your readers. Remember, this is still a problem and solution argumentative essay. So you will notice here, I tell my readers, my problem is that MCPSS is not allowing students to access the best versions of AI on their laptop. Now, if you're struggling to write, it is okay to just say that point blank, period. But if you know that you can do a little bit more, do a little bit more the way that I did here. Unfortunately, that is exactly what's taking place in Mobile County Public Schools. In the same manner that the educational system once resisted the integration of computers, MCPSS has begun to resist the integration of AI by banning its most effective versions on student laptops. I could have just said, MCPSS isn't allowing kids to use the best forms of AI, but I gave my own little flourish. I made it sound nice. Now at this point, I got my hook done. I've introduced my problem. I've said what I want to be done about this problem. Let's go into our supporting reasons. Now, for your supporting reasons, you might put a solution to your problem, or you might put benefits to the solution that you propose in your claim. Since I propose a solution in my claim, you will notice that my supporting reasons are benefits. So ask yourself, what will be the good things that could happen if my claim comes true? And those things could be your supporting reasons. For example, I said, one reason that MCPSS should change the setting is because AI will bring educational benefits to students. Then my next reason, another reason that MCPSS should change the setting is because students need to begin learning how to use AI properly. What I want you to realize here is that I'm not giving any evidence, I'm not giving examples, I'm not adding on or using a lot of conjunctions. I just want to give them a quick preview of what I'm going to talk about in my body paragraph. I want to save all my details, my evidence, my examples for my body paragraphs. Now, for supporting reason number 3, you may continue to talk about another benefit or another solution that you want to, or you can make your third body paragraph your counterclaim paragraph. This is where you will anticipate how someone could argue against your claim, say what they would say, and then respond and tell them why they are wrong. So what I put is, while I understand that the reason it is banned is due to a fear of cheating, because I anticipate people are going to say, oh no, people will just use it to cheat, I responded saying, there are many ways in which the county may manage that possibility while still allowing the usage of AI in school. Notice that I didn't give any ways that they could manage that possibility yet. I'm not going to do that until I get to that body paragraph, just like for my other 2 solutions. So at this point, I should have written my entire introduction, right? You can go ahead and begin your body now. If you need more assistance, you can message me on Schoology and ask for help, or you can come to my desk right now. Goodbye, beautiful students.